Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about my latest build, and that is the 89 batwing. It's printed in Bamboo Labs PLA metal. It's 1/12 scale, just like the others, and this thing is massive. Massive being the keyword here. It's a good thing because I got every little detail from the movie prop embedded in this thing. In the 3MF file, there will also be a desk and wall mount available. I printed those in ASA and I recommend you do the same just for sturdiness, because this thing is also heavy. Going further here, you have the two nose guns mounted on the sides, the wing guns, the twin wing guns, the main machine gun, and the missiles that are held in place by magnets. The biggest challenge for this project was the canopy assembly, because there is no transparent PLA or any other material as far as I know, so I did it in translucent PETG, printed in vase mode, so it got a consistent finish throughout. Moving inside, we have the targeting system that slides out through to the movie version. Even the goggles swing. The joystick assembly also rotates, and behind the actual dashboard there is also translucent PETG, so it's lighting ready. The machine gun slides in and out. Both wing flaps open and close. As I previously said, the mount is printed in ASA. It's attached to the plane with 3 screws. You also have these 2 cover plates held with magnets to the plane. They cover the area where you will join the cables from the inside to the wing lights. Let's not forget the scissor mechanism in front. It's attached with the magnets, and they all open in tandem. The blades open in tandem one to another. The projectors on the wings and beneath the plane have pre-made channels, so you can add wiring to them, and LEDs. Can't get a good focus here, but inside there is a micro LED similar to those I used on the tumbler. In the final version there will be a bit more details added to the dashboard, to the top part. You can see now there are some holes for the piping on the dash, and the canopy will have a snap-in feature to it, so it doesn't fall off when you wall mount it. Anyway, that's a quick view at this. It will be available soon as a Maker World exclusive. Hope you enjoyed the video and stay tuned for more. Thank you.